Welcome. If you've ever saved a reel on Instagram and later struggled to find it, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to view all your saved reels on Instagram. Whether you're looking to rewatch your favorite clips or organize your saved content, this guide will help you access everything in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal saved content. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This takes you directly to your Instagram profile, where you can see your posts, followers, and more. Next, focus on the top right corner of your profile page. You'll notice a menu icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tap on this icon to open up a list of options. From this menu, find and tap on the option labeled Saved. This is where Instagram stores all the posts, reels, and collections you've saved over time. If you've never visited this section before, you might be surprised at how much you've saved. Now, to specifically view your saved reels, look for the filter options at the top of the saved page. Tap on the Reels filter. Instantly, you'll see a grid of all the reels you've saved, making it easy to browse, rewatch, or even share them with friends. That's it. You've now learned how to quickly access your saved reels on Instagram. This feature is perfect for revisiting inspiring videos, keeping track of trends, or simply enjoying your favorite content again and again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring your saved reels.